How to enable dark mode in any app on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to enable dark mode in any app on your Android device. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and turn on dark mode on your device. You can do that by swiping down on your notification panel, and then right here you can find dark mode uh, settings. So just go ahead and tap on it to turn on the dark mode. And once you've turned on dark mode, everything here goes a bit dark. And then from there, you need to simply go ahead and tap on the settings menu. Once you open up settings, you need to go ahead and find something called advanced feature or something similar to this, depending on the device you have. And then from there, you basically have to go ahead and find the option called Labs and then tap on it. This only works on Samsung. Then you have dark mode apps over here. Tap on it, and here you can choose the apps that will always use dark mode even when your phone is set to light mode. And if the app is set to use the light mode in the app settings, it will appear light mode regardless of what you set here. So you basically have to toggle the app here, and if you have multiple apps, you can toggle that option. Then if you really want to turn on and force dark mode on any apps that you see, you first need to turn on developers option. You can do that by going over to about phone, and then from here you need to go to software information. Now you need to go ahead and keep tapping on build number, and it will turn on the developers option for you. Now you can find the developer mode on the very bottom of your screen, and you can just tap on it. Now here you can find something called force dark mode, so you just need to go ahead and scroll down until you find that option. So it's going to be right at the bottom somewhere around here. Then you can find this option to force dark mode. You can force apps to use dark mode even if not fully supported, and in some apps it works pretty well, but in some apps that does not really support dark mode, it might look a bit different, like your text is dark and even your background is dark, so it might be a bit hard to read your texts, so you need to be careful of that. But this is how you basically force dark mode into any app on your Android device. If this was helpful, like the video below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.